Welcome back. As you know, we've already learned about the merge function in Power Query. Now it's time to expand our skills with some additional text functions. Today we'll focus on two key functions, split and trim. Let's begin with the split function. Start by importing the data. As you can see, we currently have no data loaded. Go to the Get Data option, then select Excel Workbook. Choose your workbook and click Open. Next, select the sheet containing the desired data and press Transform Data. In this data set, we will split the director names into two separate columns to display their first and last names individually. Select the column, go to the Transform tab, and locate the Text column section. Click on Split Column and select By Delimiter. A delimiter is a character or sequence of characters used to separate values in a column. In this case, the delimiter is a space, which is automatically detected. Under the Split Add option, you'll see different choices for how to split the column. Here, we want to split at each occurrence of the delimiter, which means every time a space is found, the text will be separated into a new column. Click OK, and the director column will be split into two separate columns. You can now rename these columns to reflect their contents, such as first name and last name. If you want to remove unwanted spaces, select the column or columns where you want to clean up the text. Then go to Format and choose Trim from the drop-down menu. This will remove any extra spaces from the text in the selected columns. In this case, since we don't have any extra spaces, you won't notice a difference, but the text is now properly trimmed. Finally, navigate to the Home tab and click Close and Apply to load your cleaned and transformed data into Power BI. Now click on the drop-down for Netflix. You'll see two columns named First Name and Last Name. You can create a table to display this information. Simply select the table icon and drag both columns into the table to organize the data visually.